What if the key to your biggest breakthrough in 2025 is giving up? What if success doesn't come from holding on tighter, but finally letting go? I know that sounds like the opposite of what you should do, but what if releasing is exactly what's been missing from your goals? Today's topic might just flip everything you believe about success on its head and reveal why letting go could be your biggest power move of 2025. If we're being honest, most of us entered 2025 with baggage, unfinished goals, old stories, expectations we didn't meet. And instead of releasing them, we grip tighter, hoping this time we'll force the breakthrough. But here's what no one tells us. You can't grow while you're gripping the past. We think hustle is the answer. We think pushing harder will finally crack the code. But often it's that pressure that's blocking us from the very thing we're chasing. Holding on feels like control. It gives us the illusion that if we just try harder, things will finally click. But control is exhausting. It kills creativity. It blinds us to new opportunities because we're too focused on what we think should happen. And sometimes letting go isn't giving up. It's clearing space for clarity, for momentum, for something better. And if you're thinking, sounds risky, you're not wrong. But what's more risky is staying stuck in cycles that never worked in the first place. So how do we know when it's time to let go? Here are some clues. You're chasing the same goal year after year with zero joy. You feel drained, not driven. You're stuck in what-if loops. You're constantly comparing your journey to everyone else's. You feel like you've tried everything, but nothing clicked. These are all signs it's time to stop forcing and start flowing. The truth? Some of our goals are outdated. Some habits are anchors. Some mindsets aren't meant to come with us into the next chapter. Letting go isn't giving up, it's growing up. It's not about quitting your goals, it's about releasing the weight that's slowing you down so you can finally move with power and purpose. Here's what actually happens when we let go intentionally. We gain mental clarity. Letting go clears the mental fog. When we stop obsessing over what went wrong or trying to predict every outcome, we give our brain space to focus on what matters now. Practical tip: start your mornings with a 5-minute mental release. Write down everything cluttering your thoughts and let it go by identifying one thing that you won't carry into the day. You gain emotional freedom. We often don't realize how much emotional energy we're spending on things we can't change. Past failures, what-ifs, disappointments. Letting go frees us from carrying emotional debt into a new year. Practical tip: pick one regret or resentment and write it out. Then burn it, shred it, or delete it. Create a ritual of emotional release. When we let go of should, we act from alignment, not obligation. Instead of chasing someone else's idea of success, we start moving in the direction that actually feels right for us. Practical tip: before setting your 2025 goals or when reviewing them, ask yourself, is this goal mine or something I think I should want? Let go of borrowed dreams. Set goals from your values, not your ego. An energy reboot. Holding on to stress, control, and outdated goals is draining. Letting go gives you energy back. You'll be surprised how much more alive and motivated you feel when you're not dragging the past around. Practical tip: audit your commitments. What's draining you but not fulfilling you? Cut one thing this month. Your time is your power. Don't spend it on what no longer fits. New opportunities. Here's the real magic. When we create space, new doors start to appear, but you can't receive new opportunities with full hands. Letting go is how we make room for what's meant for us. Practical tip: each week, ask yourself, what am I making space for? Set the intention to receive something new and take one small action that signals you're ready for it. Letting go is a decision and a declaration. It says, I'm no longer building my future on the foundation of the past, and that one decision can change everything. If this message sparked something in you, don't let it fade. Hit that like button so more people can find this message, share it with a friend who's ready to release what's holding them back, and subscribe for more content that helps you think deeper, live clearer, and grow stronger. And comment below, what's one thing you're letting go of in 2025 to make room for your breakthrough? We'd love to hear from you. As always, thank you so much for spending time with us today. And until next time, breathe deeply, live fully, and thrive.